Hey, this is the Black & Decker 400 watt HVLP spray gun. Let's open it up. So you get the unit itself. You can charge it like this, which is really comfortable. It's not that heavy. This is where you tune how much spray you want. This is the nozzle. So you got a picture here on how you can tune up the nozzle to make it spray. There's also some instructions, and you got a mixing bucket and a viscosity meter to let you know how much you have to dilute what you want to paint with. There's a cleaning brush. Okay, let's test it out. It's got a gasket here. Okay, so this is the finish that you get. You do need to water it down a little bit and make sure you adjust the settings. Start small and then increase the flow. So it looks okay. Sometimes when it splatters, you should have like a roller on hand or a paintbrush to smooth it out. If it is too thick, it's gonna splatter a little bit like this. A second coat should take care of that. But in order not to get this, you need to adjust the knob on the trigger, so you should get pretty okay results. But not all paints or stains are good for this gun. You should be able to read on the product that it can be sprayed. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.